Welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today we are going to talk about the zip. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in full sentences. At the end, I will also give you one statement for a short speaking test. You will speak for 1 or 2 minutes about it. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's begin. What is a zip?
A zip is something used to open and close or back.
Where can you usually find a zip?
I can usually find a zip on jacket, jeans, skirt, bag, and pants or clothing.
What kind of clothes have zip?
Jacket, jeans, dresses, skirt, hoodies often have zip.
Do you use zip every day?
Yes, I usually use zip every day on my clothes and bag.
What are zip made of?
Zip are made of metals and plastic.
Is it easy or difficult to use a zip?
It's usually easy, but sometimes it gets sharp.
Have you ever had a problem with a broken zip?
Yes, I have. When my jacket zip is broke, and I ask someone to help.
What do you do when a zip doesn't work?
I try to pull it slowly and ask someone to fit it.
Do you prefer zip or button on your clothes? Why?
I prefer zip because they are faster and easier.
Can you fix a broken zip by yourself?
No, I cannot fit it. I usually ask her to help.
Now I would like you to speak for 1 or 2 minutes about this topic. Describe what a zip is and how people use it in their daily life. You can talk about what a zip look like, where we use it, example, close bag extra, how it works, why it is useful. Take a few seconds to think and then begin when you are ready.
A zip is a small, useful thing that happens and close or back. It has a line with small teeth, a slider in the middle. When you put slider up, zip close. When you put it down, it's open. We can see a zip on jackets, trousers, dresses, bag, and wallet. I use zip every day. My backpack has a zip and my pen too. I think zip is useful because they are fast and easy. Sometimes the zip can get sharp, break, and then can be a problem. But most of the time, zips are very helpful in our daily life.
Thank you for your answer. That is the end of your speaking test. You did a good job. Keep practicing and have a good day.